Hey there, fellow road traveler. Welcome. I'm John the Mouse. I have been in the trucking industry for over 20 years. I have been sharing different sites along the way and will continue to tell you my raw stories, expert tips, and must-know insights for your home and business to keep you rolling. Learn the ins and outs of heavy machinery, master road conditions, and drive alongside the different trucking lifestyle. Whether you're a driver, traveler, gearhead, or just love the cheese of the matter, gear up and let's travel this great highway together.
So man, you got your ears on, son.
Watch that alligator, and there's bear in the bushes. If that sounds like nonsense, you haven't learned trucker slang. A colorful, clever lingo that makes CB radio pop.
Listen, give me 5 minutes. We're going to put some moves on that mother. I'll meet you at Ole Miss.
Today I'm sharing the top slang terms, their meanings, and why they're in the heart of the trucking culture. Get ready to talk like a true road king or queen.
I'm still trying to get rid of that Texas County Mountie. I don't know what the hell he wants.
You know what he wants. I mean, how would you like to be the dude that handcuffs a legend?
What's up, road dogs? I'm John the Mouse, your trucking guru with over 20 years behind the wheel and a decade of YouTube stories.
I'm here to tell you your fellow CBers are mighty proud of you out there. Come on.
Well, thank you, son. I appreciate it.
From coast to coast, I've heard every CB slang term under the sun.
Can you hear me, boy?
And today, we're diving into the fun stuff, trucker slang. We'll break down the key terms.
Sheriff,
I'm listening.
do the letters FO mean anything to you?
And explore why slang is trucking soul.
This here's the grave robber. Put the pedal to the metal, good buddy, and we'll hold this county mountie as long as we can. Come on.
While the 10 codes are the nuts and bolts of CB radio,
One snowman. I'm clearing on the side.
We'll be 10-10 on the side, son.
slang is the spice. It's how truckers describe rigs, roads, and the life with humor and flair.
Snowman, are you out there, son?
I'm up here doing what I'm supposed to be doing. What are y'all doing back there? He and his shin? Come back.
Born in the late night diners and the long hauls, slang adds personality.
That's Mr. Evil Knievel. He done snuck in my back door, son, when I wasn't looking. You better flip-flop back here and give me a hand, son, or we're going to be in a heap of trouble. Now, please roger that transmission.
Hold on to Fred, son. Here comes the cavalry.
And deception, especially when warning about a bear with a radar gun. Unlike the 10 codes, slang evolves constantly, with regional twists like Beantown for Boston.
How we been playing, Little Bridge? How we been doing?
We losing minutes, son. We losing minutes. If you don't get up here and run these minute pins, then you ain't ever going to make it. Come back.
Here's the lowdown on the top slang. Affirmative. Yes, I got it.
Affirmative, affirmative. I'm still dishing it out.
Alligator, highway gator, is a tire rubber on the road, a hazard. Bear, smoky bear, police officer, often with a radar.
Whoa, hold it. I just passed another Kojak with a Kodak. This place crawling with bad. Where the hell are you? Come back.
Bear bait, reckless driver attracting cops. Big truck, 18-wheeler or a tractor trailer. Bobtail, truck without a trailer. Brake, call to join a busy channel like Break 19.
Breaker 19, Breaker 19.
Bumper sticker, tailgating car. Chicken coop is a way station. Copy, as I understand. Four-wheeler, It's a car or non-truck vehicle. Good buddy. It's a friendly term. A bit dated though. Hammer down is speed up.
This is a little deeper. Put your foot on the floor. We've got your back door. And I'm clear.
Hey, look. And we also lost a lot of valuable time, too. We're going to really have to cook. Just keep the rubber band stretched real tight. 10-4, 10-4. I'm bringing it, son. I'm bringing it. I'm clear. Don't take your foot off of that hammer, son. Them bears about to fall over you like maple syrup.
Motion lotion. Go juice is diesel fuel.
Because I need to pull off here and suck up a little go-go juice and put some groceries down my neck. So y'all be careful and I'll catch you later.
Negatory. That's no or negative. Reefer. That's a refrigerated trailer. Roger. Message received like 10-4.
Son, can we slide right into your convoy there?
Come ahead on, Bandit. We'll slip you into the rocking chair. Play a little hide and seek. The welcome mat is out and you're coming home.
10-4.
Sunny side up. Stay safe. Keep the truck upright. Wiggle wagons. That's multiple trailers. What's your 20? Where are you?
What's your 20? About 16 miles this side of Mississippi.
We also got like lot lizards. They're crude and best avoided to keep things respectable on the line. Slang varies by region. Boston's Beantown, LA's Shake City for earthquakes, or Tucumcary's best pie this side of Pecos.
I went a few rounds with some dudes back here, just eat them up the joint.
Look, I'm gonna drop the little dolly here off at a choking puke, and then I'm gonna get right back on the job.
All right, 10-4 on that choking puke.
These terms show pride and place, tying truckers to the road they roam. To hear the slang in action, let's tune back into the Big Rig Little John and Diesel Don from our first few videos. They're on I-40, tossing around slang like alligator, bear, and hammer down. Listen up so you can spot these terms we just covered.
Breaker 19, this is Big Rig Little John. Eastbound. Anybody got their ears on? What's the 20 back to the line, over?
10-4, Little John. This is Diesel Dawn, westbound at marker 150. Road's clear so far, but there's a chicken coop open. At the 120-yard stick got a bear sittin' pretty with a Kodak. Keep it under the double nickels. Copy? Over.
Roger that, Don. Appreciate the heads up. Don't need no Smokey taking my picture today. You see any alligators out there? Had one chew up my tire last week. Over.
Negatory on the Gators, Little John, but I dodged a bumper sticker back at Gallop. Some four-wheeler riding, my tail like I'm hauling gold. Hammer down now, though. Motion lotion's flowing. What's your 20 headed? Over.
I'm California bound with this reefer load. Gotta keep the hammer down to make my slot. You? Over.
10-4. I'm dropping this flatbed in Amarillo, then bobtailing back east. Might hit the coop for a 10-100 if the line's short. You hear any 10-30, 3 up ahead? Over.
Negatory on the 1033. But I got a 1013 for ya. Weather's looking dicey past the wagon wheel. Might want to check your wipers. Oh, and watch out for a bear bait flying past in a red pickup. Guy's weaving like he's on moonshine, over.
Copy that, good buddy. I'll keep my eyes peeled for that bear bait. Thanks for the 1013. Say, you hit that diner in Tucumcari yet? Best pie this side of the Pecos. Over.
Affirmative, Don. That cherry pie's worth a 100 stop. Tell 'em Big Rig sent ya. All right, I'm 1010 for now. Keeping that sunny side up. Catch you on the flip. Over and out.
10-4, Little John. Shiny side up, hammer down, and stay safe. Diesel Dawn's 1010. Out.
That's the sound of slang in the wild. Bear and Smokey flagged a cop, alligator warned of tire debris, and bumper sticker called out tailgater, hammer down, motion lotion, kept things moving while Reefer and Bobtail described their rigs.
I see a portable gas station up ahead of me. Do you copy?
Hey, is this a bandit? This is Mr. B, and I'm gear jamming this rolling refinery. You got another Smoky on the rubber?
Good buddy and shiny side up added warmth, and that Tucumcari pie shout out. Pure trucker charm.
Tell me, you coming up on Fayetteville and Interstate 82?
Yeah, we're almost on top of it.
Well, then I got a big bad bear story for you out there. I just rolled past a County Mountie roadblock down there.
You are a silver-tongued devil.
Let me share a slang story from my road days. 10 years ago or so, I was rolling through Texas when my CB buzzed, "Gator at the 112," and a Smokey got his Kodak out. That alligator was a chunk of tire. I was looking out for it so I didn't have to swerve. And that bear was a cop I slowed down for, avoiding a ticket. Slang isn't just for fun. It's a survival tool, like a map for the road. Wild side.
This is the good witch of the north speaking. You'd better not come this way. There's been a little fender bender here on 64.
Slang is trucking's heartbeat. From the 1970s CB craze to today's remote highways. It's our shared language. Movies like Smokey and the Bandit made terms like bear iconic. But it's the diner chats and the late night CB banter that keeps it alive. Even as CB use dips with the tech like cell phones, slang ensures heritage, humor, and heart.
Is that hot pants Hilliard I hear yakking out there?
And who wants to know?
This is a bandit, darling.
Well, where are you, you bodied up, smooth talking thing? And how can I help?
If you love this slang, at JohntheMouse University, I dive deeper into trucking culture, from slang to safety, with courses built on my 20 years experience. You can check the link below for my premium content to level up your trucking game. That Trucker Slang 101 is the key to sounding like a road pro.
Woo, love to, but hey, you're gonna owe me one.
Oh, you big one.
That's a big 10-4.
10-4.
I truly appreciate you spending time with us today. Thank you for watching. I would love to see you as part of the JohntheMouse University. I can't wait to see you there. Here's a few videos you might enjoy. Thanks again. Until we meet again.